Hi, I'm Derrick Christenson. Thanks for stopping by Christenson Pittman Auctions. I'm pleased to announce the auction of this beautiful, luxurious home located at 9651 SE Sandpine Lane in Hobe Sound, Florida. This beautiful home is located in the gated golf community, the Medalist. Welcome to the Medalist Country Club Estates and Spa. This model home is called the Egret, and it offers Florida living at its finest with an elegant open floor plan. Imagine your own private backyard with a large expansive swimming pool, fountains, and spa. You'll have complete privacy in this home as it backs up to a beautiful nature preserve. Complete with full-service bar, this beautiful home has 3 bedrooms, plus den, and 5.5 bathrooms included in its 3,712 square feet of living area, with a total square footage of 4,758 square feet. This home comes completely furnished. A beautiful rotunda foyer leads to an expansive living room, which opens to the estate's gourmet kitchen, breakfast area, and family room. Fully furnished living room with a real wood fireplace. Everywhere you look in this home, you'll find elegant wood craftsmanship. Wet bar for fun entertaining. This kitchen comes loaded with state-of-the-art appliances, custom wood cabinets, and granite throughout. Family room or den. Fully furnished master bedroom with fantastic views of the pool, spa, and preserve. All closets come with custom built-ins. This luxurious master bathroom comes complete with everything you'll need for a beautiful, opulent lifestyle. One of the 3 guest bedrooms. This auction will be Saturday, August 28th at the Hutchinson Island Marriott and Resort in Stuart, Florida. The auction will be at 1 p.m., so please arrive a little early for bidder registration. For more information on this property, you can go to www.myfloridaauction.com or call us at 1-877-3NOW-BID. I'm Derrick Christenson, and I look forward to seeing you at the auction.